Hi, this is Pat Gross here. I have the opportunity of going with the Eastside Christian Church mission team this summer to Mathare Valley in Nairobi, Kenya. We will be bringing medical and dental aid to those in the valley that need it. We're also going to have a solar power team, and we will be introducing aquaponics, and we will also be going out into the different communities with the support of Hope Mission. We will be bringing essentials, and we will be praying and bringing the light, so to speak, again through the message of Jesus Christ. I appreciate your prayers to support the team and for you to become part of our mission. If you'd like to give to our mission financially, click on the right. Thank you very much. God bless you.